Hi, welcome back to another video. As you can see from the title, we are doing individual lashes at home, and we're just going to go ahead and jump in. I'm starting out by curling my natural lash with an eyelash curler. As you can see, I do not have a lot of lashes, which is why I like the idea of individuals. I start by applying this brush glue. Everything will be linked in my description box of what I use. And I'm just applying this to my lashes, making sure I do a nice even coat. And then I went through with just a dry spoolie to make sure my lashes were not clumped together by the glue. Now, the lashes that I'm using are individuals that I got from Amazon. Everything that I'm using today I got from Amazon. And placing them was hard for me, not even gonna lie. It took me quite a few tries. You'll see in this video. This was the first time that I was using this type of tweezer, and it was a little hard at first. It took me a while, but once I got the rhythm of it, it was a lot easier to do the lashes. Having the long extended lash tweezers came in handy, especially around my inner corner. So I do suggest getting that type of tweezers for this. You'll see I'll be using my regular tweezers to place some of the lashes as well. So I kind of went back and forth between the two, but I do highly suggest getting the extended like professional grade tweezers because it will come in handy in the corners. So I'm just applying these pieces of lashes. These are 16 mm. I did a mix of 16 mm, 12 mm, and I think I used one piece of 14 mm, and I just mixed them together. What I decided moving forward is I'm going to find like lash maps and follow those to do different styles and everything. But just for a simple everyday cat eye look, this really worked for me, and I loved them. I wore them for about 5 days, and then I took them off just because I wanted to try something different, try like a new style with the same lashes. And they say that with this glue, it will last up to 5 days. I mean, up to 2 weeks. So far, I've made it 5 days with them. One thing that I do not show you in this video is me putting on a clear glaze. I suggest doing that at the end because this particular glue does stay super tacky, which works because it gives you a long time to apply this lashes. The whole process of me doing both of my eyes took about 35 minutes. So the glue staying super tacky allows me to do that. But once I was done placing, this is the last piece here on this eye, I went in with a clear glaze, which again I'll have linked in the description box below, and I put that on to kind of like seal it. So this eye took me about 20 minutes just because I was getting the hang of it, and then this eye took me about another 15 minutes to do. I was a little bit more comfortable with the tweezers, and it just made it easier. So that is the look. I'm gonna insert a couple clips of me over the weekend with my lashes so you can see how it looks with makeup, but that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was super quick and easy, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.